Hello everyone, this is David from goldstartool.com and this is the Kansai Special 1404-P. P is for the puller right here. Can you show the P? This is the puller right here, and before we go on, this puller come in a different variety of it. It could be, I think this is serrated. It's very hard plastic serrated. It could be rubber, and it could be plastic, only a round plastic. Rubber meaning it's like a soft rubber. You could have it in a very hard round plastic and serrated like this one. So P, when it comes at the end of Kansai Special, means puller. And puller is when you're gonna have a very heavy stuff. Not like this. I'm gonna show you how heavy we mean, and we're gonna try it out. But here, P means puller. So this is a waistband machine. Come around, please. This is a 4-needle, 8-thread chain stitch machine for waistbands, and you could do the jogging pants or a denim pants or one of the ones that you run elastic cord in it. It's going to be these two right here, between these two, and I'm going to go over why is it these two, and what are the distances. So first we're going to go over the 8th thread. Why 8th thread? This is a chain stitch. Chain stitch means that if you look at the back, it's not lock stitch. It's continuous sewing. You could continuously sew this till the thread runs out. No bobbin or no bobbin case. There are loopers that are working with this machine. And this is the, see? That's how you're gonna get something like this. For the pants, for the running, for yoga pants, for sport pants, shorts, whatever. See, it's called waistband. And this is the machine. So you're gonna have, we set up the machine in 8 different colors of thread. They're very nice colors. So when we run the machine, when we sew the machine, we could tell if there is any problem, any stitch is out of order, we could fix it. 8 thread, 4 needle right here, and I'm gonna go over the needles. Now, this machine is a multi-needle, what they call. It's a multi-needle. Even though it's a waistband, the customer wanted us to set it up quarter, 3/4, quarter. So quarter between these, or maybe they wanted us to do, yes. You see, if you could take a look, I'm going to start from 4. You have quarter. The spacing is 3/4 and another quarter. 2 needles right here are 1/4 inch between them. These 2 needles are 1/4 inch, and between these 2 needles right here are 3/4. Now it could be changed. You could have quarter, 1 inch quarter. You could want quarter, 1 1/4, or 1 1/8 quarter. So then we'll change the gauge for you. Let's look at here. Changing the gauge meaning changing the foot, changing the clamp, changing the feed dog underneath, and we have to change the way the loopers are right here. Okay, the whole set has to be changed. I'm gonna sew it off and I'm gonna pull out the thread from the other side. Threading it is very easy. These Kansai Special machines are made in USA, Japan. The whole entire oil goes inside. There is no oil pan. The entire oil goes inside, and you could check the oil, see how much oil we have from the back end. I'm gonna show you, but the customer wanted us to set this up on a fully submerged table. You could also have this sitting on the top of the table. We have it fully submerged. We have this machine set up on our new tech 750 watts blind servo motor, brushless servo motor with adjustable. Is it on? Okay, now on, and you're gonna see the speed now. Could speed up, speed down, quiet. The motor is already on. K-legs, foot lifter right here. If you could see from here, that's the foot lifter. And this is the sewing machine right here. See how quiet? Now, if you come around, I'm gonna show you that this is up, but you could have it down, and when it's down, if you have very, very heavy stuff, it's gonna help. See, it's top and bottom. Look at that. I want this to come out so people see. Here you go. Top and bottom. Now, I'm gonna do more than 2 layers. I'm gonna do now, if you have this machine and it's set up with 4 needles the way it is, and you want to use only 2 needles to make it 3/4, you just take 2 needles out and it will go 3/4. If you want to use only the left hand side, meaning you only want to use this 2 thread, you could do it. If you want to set only these 2 threads, you could do it. Even if you want to do 1, you could do. Now it's not a machine to do that. This machine is waistband, 4 needles. But look at back. Look at how beautiful. This is Chainstitch. It's not a lock stitch machine. You know, people that do the continuous sewing, they could use this machine. A lot of people run elastic, like this one. You could run elastic inside, so the bottom one could be, the bottom could be elastic, and the top one could be thread, or just run elastic with top and bottom thread. This is what came from the factory. These are still from the factory. The machine comes with the certification, made in US, why I keep saying USA, made in Japan. You're gonna get one of these screwdrivers. You're gonna get a bunch of oiler's tools. The needle is 113. UY113, right? And then what else you're gonna have? You're gonna have the paperwork for the motor, the cover, dust cover, another piece of paper right here. What else? And the oiler. So the funnel goes right here. The whole entire oil goes down. The machine, again, people call us every day. Is the machine including the motor? Yes, when we sell the motor, the machine, everything is included unless you want head only. A lot of people live out of United States. They want to set up their own machine the way they want it. But if you buy the machine from us, you're gonna have the thread stand, you're gonna have the table, you're gonna have the leg, you're gonna have everything you see on this machine, unless you don't want the table, so we won't send you the table. Again, this is a multi-needle waistband sewing machine, a very, very powerful machine for continuous sewing. This is a very heavy-duty denim, even elasticy one. I did, I think, more than 6 layers over there. Let me do even. A lot of people want to know if you could do more and more heavy. That people love. I'm gonna bring this down. Look at that baby going. No problem. Front. The front, this is the back. We went over 2 layers of thread right here. Show them. These are 2 threads here, two. Front and back, beautiful. Waistband, quarter, 3/4, a waistband sewing machine. For the top, again, for the shorts, for the pants, for the jogging, A very good machine. What else we are going to talk about? Nothing. Flatbed, table size. It's normal size, 48 by 20 inch. Bed of the machine is 12 inch from the end of the foot. It's 7 inch to the end. I would say half an inch raise. I shield puller, great sewing machine. Oh, by the way, you could do, we're doing a T27 thread. You could do T40, T50, T60, T80, T105, T30, 138. You could do all of that thread. And so polyester, nylon, no problem. This is David from goldstartool.com, and this is a 1404P Kansai, a special sewing machine. Thank you for watching.